Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Pikachu for beginners. So first we're going to get started by framing in the shape of the head. So on the top, let's draw in a curved line from left to right. For the top of the ears now, we're just going to arch this line up and then out towards the side of the page on both sides. Now from that point, we're going to bring this line around and then in towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. Now for the side of the head, on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then down. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this line out for the cheek, bringing that back in. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom by flattening this out, bringing this line over and up towards the right. Now let's come in and add some details. So for the eye, we're going to start with a nice big circle on the left-hand side. And then we're going to move over on the right-hand side, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Now on the top right-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then we'll do the same thing over on the top left-hand side as well. In the middle for the nose, we're just going to draw in a small oval. For the mouth, from that point in the center, we're going to curve this line out on the right. And then we'll do the same thing from that point in the middle, bringing that over on the left. Underneath, let's draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve this line over and across. Now for the cheeks on both sides, we're just going to draw in a nice big half circle, closing that off. And then moving up on the ears, we're just going to arch this line down on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.